What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys the process of installing an MCOR conversion kit on a Club Car DS. This is a Club Car DS 8-passenger Villager. It used to be a gas golf cart. There's no battery trays at all in this golf cart. But when I got this golf cart frame, I got it for free. So in order to make it electric, I had to put a rear axle in it, motor controller, solenoid batteries, the whole 9 yards. I also had to install a throttle that would talk with the controller. So what I did is ordered a MCOR conversion kit. Their holes are already lined up on the frame rail. It's a very simple and easy install. Shouldn't take you no longer than about 15-20 minutes to install this. We're gonna put an MCOR conversion kit in here, the MCOR 4. And this is the kit that comes, with everything. It comes with 4 screws, a spring, the wiring harness adapter, the inside mount, the mount that attaches to the accelerator pedal here, and it actually goes to the spring and to the MCOR here. So like I mentioned, this is your MCOR. This is another mount, and you see you have some slots there. And here you have some slots here. Basically, you take the slots, you place them into the slots here. You also have 2 spots here that will accept a screw. You take your screw, you put it into place like so. Okay, that one goes there. This one goes here. And you screw it all the way down. The MCOR is like D-shaped back here. Can you see that on camera? This is the MCOR accelerator pedal adapter. I just made that up. I don't know exactly what you call this right here, this rod, but it's D-shaped here. This right here, a fork looking thing here, actually fits around the accelerator pedal. So when you push the pedal, it twists the MCOR down here. Also, they included 2 more larger screws where you can mount the MCOR from the outside of the chassis through those 2 mounts there. One there, one there. These 2 mounts here will pop into the side of the frame, and you have a spring. So how the spring works here, you have a little notch right there. That little notch will cover a hook right there. Bolts there that mounts the MCOR and the MCOR bracket will slides into this right here. So this right here just gives your pedal some more tension. Let's get down to the bottom of the golf cart and check it out. So what we're looking at is the accelerator pedal from underneath. That's it right there. How this is going to attach, we're actually going to slide the accelerator rod going to the MCOR through this hole first, like so, and then place the rod around the accelerator pedal right there. See there? And it should just line up and drop into place here, like so. See, it just dropped into place. That one little indentation right here, this little leg here on the bottom of the accelerator will actually enter inside the accelerator to MCOR rod there. So at the bottom left opening here and at the top right opening there, the MCOR has 2 nipples on there, kind of like an alignment tabs. They're gonna align those holes, and you're gonna have a screw for this hole here and this hole right here. Now, when you're putting the screws in, don't put one of them in all the way because we have to attach the spring. Before we put this into the frame rail and attach it to the accelerator pedal, we need to put the spring on it here. Now the spring is gonna go, this right here side here is gonna go towards the frame rail right here. So you're gonna put it on like so. See how this right here has like an arm right here that goes around the spring. We're gonna slide the rod through the MCOR opening. Then we're gonna slide the linkage rod also over the accelerator pedal. And on the accelerator pedal, there's a nipple right here. It's gonna slide into this linkage portion here. If we can get it to slide in there on camera. There it is. It's in place there. Next, we just need to go ahead and put the spring in place. Once we have the spring in place, we'll put the MCOR on from the outside here, put the 2 bolts in there, and attach the spring to one of the bolts, and we're done. So here it is, it's fully installed. As you can see, the spring actually goes between the frame rail and that lower left-hand mounting screw. So the MCOR is now mounted, as you can see right there on the outside of the frame rail. Went ahead and just plugged our 2 harnesses directly into the MCOR there. And then our IQ harness for the golf cart, they plug directly into those harnesses. All right, guys, so this pretty much concludes this video of an MCOR conversion kit on a Club Car DS chassis. Like I previously mentioned, this was gas. We went to electric, so I had to do the conversion kit. So the kit that I purchased, I got from Revolution Golf Carts. It's an OEM kit. I'll put the links in the description below for that kit. That one runs about $200. There's cheaper options available, and I'll place links below in the description for those as well. Those are around 50 bucks. So the cheaper option kits may last you a year, may last you forever. But I went OEM because I wanted a good quality kit. Now, it's up to you. I know my little white DS, it has an Amazon kit on it. On this one right here, it's got an OEM kit. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, we'll see y'all later.